Ladies, little details like dark armpits, dark inner thigh, dark elbows, dark knees can take you from 100 to a 0 real quick, grace to grass. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lighten those areas like a pro. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, you know you have to stick around. If you're new here, my name is Rama. Welcome to the Girl Gang.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane,
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
I'm not playing at all, but before we get into the remedies, I would like you to understand what causes hyperpigmentations, okay? Because you need to know what causes hyperpigmentations, the darkening of these areas. So, in order to take care of yourself better after you have treated the areas. Some of the causes of hyperpigmentations, especially under your armpits and your bikini lines, are dead skin cells, friction, the method of shaving that you adapt, and deodorants. Guys, deodorants contain parabens, alcohol, artificial fragrance, and other ingredients that cause inflammation, leading to thickening and darkening of the skin over time. Most of these deodorants contain aluminum as their active ingredients, and this clogs up the sweat dust and cause dryness and hyperpigmentations. Mind you, these are products that we use every day in order to smell good and like to keep our hygiene at par. So once you use these products every day without exfoliating and taking care of your underarm, it is going to be dark, and it's no fault of yours. You just don't know. This is why I come through with this video. Also, if you are not shaving the right way, this could also lead to hyperpigmentations. To be clear, the mere act of shaving does not cause hyperpigmentations. It is how you shave that is the key. Aggressive technique is partly to be blamed, like repeatedly rubbing and scraping your skin is going to cause irritation over time, which can cause hyperpigmentations. You have to understand that the skin under your arm and the skin on your bikini lines are very sensitive areas, and you have to exercise caution when dealing with those areas. Okay? Yes, it is not third world war. Take your time. Take your time when dealing with these areas, because you end up causing other issues for yourself. I would highly recommend proper shaving techniques or waxing. Look, if you can wax the area, that's fine, because it will help you even get rid of dead skin cells, which is one of the causes of hyperpigmentations. Dead skin cells, friction, all of these things also cause hyperpigmentation. If you can also invest in laser hair removal, that's even better. But if you don't have the budget for it, because it can be expensive, if you don't have the budget for that yet, you know you need this video in your life. So I think I don't have to explain dead skin cells and friction, so I'm not going to get into that. Let's dive into how to fade dark armpits, dark inner thigh, knees and elbows. There is a routine for before you take a shower, and there's a routine for after you have taken your shower. Obviously, let's get into what you do before you take a shower. So what I do is that before you take a shower, you're going to take lemon or lime, you cut it into two, and then you rub it under your armpit. You rub it under your armpit, you rub it in between your thigh. Please avoid your sensitive organs. You rub it in between your thigh, you rub it under your breast, you rub it on your elbows, you rub it on your knees, and then you wait for 5 minutes before you take a shower. That is before the shower method. You use this one. Trust me, this one can also keep you fresh all day. It will help you get rid of body odor if you have any. When you use lemon, you can actually go without deodorant, but for me, I use the lemon and I still go in with my deodorant because I love to be extra. So before, this is before the shower technique, and after you have showered, you come out of the shower, you use PFB Vanish, this product right here. This product is really good in terms of fading hyperpigmentations and dark spots on your sensitive areas. It is designed to fade hyperpigmentations on your sensitive areas, so you do not have to worry about nothing. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so after you have taken your shower, you go in with this one like a deodorant. So you put this over there, you put this over here, you put this in between your thigh. Guys, this product burns a little, so make sure that you don't use it immediately after you have shaved or something like that. Don't use it when your skin is irritated because it burns. And when you use it in between your thigh, you need to wait for it to dry. What I do is I wait for it to dry, because when you use it in between your thigh, you don't wait for it to dry and then you're moving around. You can feel it on your sensitive, your lady parts, and you will not like it. So make sure it dries up before you put on your underwear. Now, this is for daytime, so you do this during the day, but at night I recently added this routine. This is the ordinary glycolic acid. Okay, this one has a pH of 3.6. So at night, after you have showered, after you have done the lemon thing, you showered at night, you simply rub this on your armpit. So you put it on a cotton pad like this. Put just enough on the cotton pad, and then you rub it on your armpits, like you rub it like how you rub your face, then you rub it on your armpit. Okay, kindly note that this should only be used at night. Do not use this during the day. This only goes on at night because it has a pH of 3.6. And you should also use this every day. You can use this 3 times a week, 3 or 4 times a week. And then this one also prevents body odor. I didn't know that. I saw it on TikTok and I was like, okay, let me give this thing a try. And it was chef kiss. So yeah, so you rub it under your armpits like that and you go to bed. Also note that these two products can irritate, so do not use it when or immediately after you have shaved, or when you feel that area is irritated. Do not use it. And also note that you use this during the day and then you use this at night. Same way, I forgot to mention, you're going to rub it on those areas, like on your knee, in between your thigh. You just rub it on those areas and you're good. I also forgot to mention, please keep these products away from your eye. Don't let it go closer to your eyes, guys. Else you'll not be able to see your armpit to apply to. Okay. This is a bonus tip. There was one thing that I used to do, but I don't do anymore. You know, ashes. Ash, like when you burn charcoal, the ash. Yes, that one is also very good to clear hyperpigmentations on your armpits and all the areas that I have mentioned. You also use that before you shower. So you put ashes, add a little bit of water, make it like a mask, and then you rub it on the area. You rub it on those areas. Like, guys, it's so effective, eh? It's so effective because look, and I realized that anything that helps with hyperpigmentations on this area also helps get rid of odor, because ashes growing up, that was what my mom made us use, like lemon lime or ashes. The ashes will make you smell good. Like we go all day, you run around, you play, send you to go buy this, go buy that. Like, you know, when you're a child, you're always moving around, but still at the end of the day, you do not smell. You do not smell, guys. But we grew up and we threw all this method away because we thought we have arrived. Anyways, so that's it for today's video. And in order to avoid history repeating itself, please make sure you adapt proper shaving techniques. Like I said, you can also wax, because personally it's so good. Like, it helps make your job easier in terms of getting rid of hyperpigmentations. And then you could also invest in laser hair removal if you have the budget for it. And that brings me to the end of today's video, guys. If you like this video or if you learned something from this video, please like, comment down below. I want to know how you got rid of hyperpigmentations, or if you have any at all, because you engaging with the post tells YouTube algorithm that this is a very informative video and it will push it to other people, and then you help me and you help other people as well. So like and comment, and I will see you in my next one. I love you. Bye. Skin cells, friction.